Right, step one, this is the sail track sail that you've just received. This is what you're going to get. Right now you've got all these ends which has your wire grips on it. So undo all the electrical tape off those wire grips on both sides. That's step one. In the sail track. Slide it all the way in. The sail track with the cater, where the exit point's got to come off. So what we do is put one termination in this end, and that'll hold that. All right, so with the rope provided, put it into your end and pull the sail across. So that'll pull this whole cater all the way across, as hard as you can, and put another screw in it just to hold that sail. And now that's firm and tight. All right, so one end of this sail, you just got to terminate. Just push these wire grips all the way up. And this is only one end. The other one's going to be left nice and loose. This one's going to tighten them up, both sides. So it's really tight, and then that's it. All right, we are now ready to stretch this sail into the position. So the other side is now terminated and done up, but I need everyone to leave this completely loose so that the wire can slide in and out. So all these nuts completely loose, so it's loose here. And then we'll tension the sail. I'll show you that now. All right, we've pulled this sail into position, and now we're just going to start turning these up so that we put some tension on the sail. Don't forget, the wire is loose. We're just going to start tensioning the sail so that it start to feel a little bit tight, and the wrinkles are starting to come out. Do the same with this corner over here. You can see the wrinkles are coming out. Now that the sail's in position and everything's tight, you can terminate this end and terminate this end, do up all those nice and tight, alternate screwing till they're all tight. All right, that wire's done up now, so what we'll do is we'll start to tighten up all these turnbuckles. You'll start to see that the wire becomes tight on the edges and starts to pull the sail out. And then continue with the next edge down here. All right, now that that's all done off, we can lock all your nuts off. So lock those nuts up against that. Just make sure everything is all good. All your ends are terminated. Push this loose end of the wire back in that pocket so it feeds all the way through. And that, my friends, is your shade sail.